Okay, welcome to another video. So I just recently bought a set of clay tools to complement the set that I already had. So now I have way too many clay tools to work with, and it's just making a mess on my table, and I need to keep things organized so I can grab the tool that I need and get right to work without thumbing through a whole pile of 50 some odd tools. So I'm going to make two little clay tool caddies based on the size of the tools that I actually have. So I'm going to show you how I did it, starting with measuring the tools. Time to find just the right piece of wood for the job. Aha! Alright, so I'm going to stick this wood in my 100-watt Boss laser, and I'm going to cut out all the pieces that I need for the clay caddies, and then we'll start gluing things on. And there you have it. This build is complete. So now I have two really nice clay tool caddies, so I can keep all my tools organized, which is important in every shop. So stay tuned for more videos, hit subscribe, and I'll see you next time.